Good evening, Andraki Namaskaram. So first, Venki garu cheppinattu nenu already disco costume lone unnanu, already party ki ready. For me, movie already release ayindi and Honey chala excited ippudu. So meeru kuda chudandi January 12th. And nenu actually first I want to thank Anil sir for always believing in me and believing that I could play Honey. So thank you so much, sir. Actually, my journey started with Anil sir from Raja the Great, and since Raja the Great, and now I hope I have improved a lot, and I have really given my 200% in this film. And thank you, sir, for always supporting me and always believing in me. And I want to thank my producers, Sirish Garu, Dil Raju Garu, Lakshman Garu, and they are always like a family member to me. And actually, every time I come and work with this production, always I feel like my home, you know, my home production laga undi. So I'm very, very, very happy always working with SVC and Venki Garu. Sir, I'm actually out of words how much you've inspired me and always, always pampered me on sets and always really, I have always looked up to you and how much you have guided me all through this whole film. And I have got to learn so much from you, be it camera facing and, so many other things and not being... not being conscious while dancing. And so I'll tell you one funny thing actually. Beginning when we started shooting for this film, I actually naku koncham telsu about all these camera facings and how when you're talking to someone like this, how you have to face towards the camera while talking. And then how Venki sir taught me. I think by the end of the film, I completely started talking to a person standing next to me. I was talking like this and he said, no, not so much camera facing. Give little camera facing, but you're supposed to talk. So I've actually, be it your comic timing and the person that you are, the lovely soul, the beautiful soul that you are. Really, sir, thank you so much. And Varun, so I know Varun, we've been good friends, ever since I've stepped into the industry, and he's always supported me. And I'm very, very happy that finally I got to work with Varun. And actually, Varun and Honey, Meeru Chudandi, I think this has been probably my most honest performance. And even the chemistry, I shouldn't talk about chemistry to both of us, but then I feel that, for Honey, the movie lo, Varun is like a Superman. He can do anything, like a genie. So, actually, on screen, off screen, Varun has really always supported me. So, thank you, Varun. And Tammy. Actually, Nijanga, not only in the film that we've played sisters, I think even off screen we have been like that always. And, she's always supported me and, pampered me, loved me and always guided me through it. So thank you so much, Tammy. Actually, I'm going to miss you. I'm feeling so, actually this has been like a beautiful journey to me. And everybody, each and every person, cast and crew, Srinivas Garu, Satyam Rajesh, everyone, that Pragati Garu, Sir, Mr. Rantiga, my father, everyone, I really want to thank each and every person. And Rajendra Prasad, sir, for you really, like, it is our second film working with you, and it has been, it has been actually my pleasure working with you. Thank you so much. I want to thank the assistant directors and everyone, the direction team, Sai Garu, Praveen Garu, Narayan Garu, Mahesh Garu, Anji Garu, Naveen Garu, Chandu Garu, everybody who has, this has been, I know you all since Raja the Great, so thank you so much. And for always Hemant, everyone. I'm sorry if I've forgotten somebody's name right now. My dubbing engineer, Venu sir, thank you so much. Everybody who's helped me through this film, all the technicians, my staff, my manager, I really want to thank each one of you. And so Meeru Andraki, I really, my special request that please watch our film F2 on January 12th, and I'm sure that you're all going to love this film. It's a laugh riot, and come with your family and watch us again and again and celebrate your Sankranti with F2 family. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Meherin. Thank you so much.